Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Julian over here at Bloomington Acura. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your phone to your new ADX. We're going to go over here, we're going to go on to your screen, press connect. You'll see it says connect new device. Click that, search for devices. That's where you want to get on your phone. You'll click the settings, go into Bluetooth, scroll all the way down, and you'll see there it says Acura ADX. We'll click that. You'll have a pairing code, make sure it's the same. Click pair. You can allow your contacts to be synced. I'm going to press allow. Now it's connected. It's going to ask me to connect to CarPlay. Press connect. On the screen here it says selected as a priority device. I'm going to do that. Press yes. And now you're connected to your new ADX.
All right, guys, I hope this video helps. If you ever have any questions or are looking for a new car, come see me, Julian, at Bloomington Acura.